The expansion of broadband access around the world has brought incredible benefits to communities across the globe. But with this expansion comes supply chain challenges that threaten to slow down progress. The demand for bulk fiber optic cables has skyrocketed, with companies clamoring for thousands of miles of cable to keep up with their projects. To meet this demand, manufacturers are producing more fiber optic cables than ever before. But that's not the only challenge. Transportation and logistics are also a major hurdle, especially with broadband expanding into more remote and rural communities. Despite these challenges, the expansion of broadband fiber continues to move forward. The benefits of reliable, high-speed internet are simply too important to ignore. Worldwide Supply is the premier channel partner for all things fiber-related. Our cables are approved for our US by America standards in the telecommunications and utility sectors. Worldwide Supply can dramatically shorten your lead time on bulk fiber orders, literally shaving months off your delivery timetable. All our cables meet or exceed ITU-T and Telcordia GR-20 standards. Let Worldwide Supply help ease your supply chain challenges as your business continues expanding broadband fiber. Our streamlined operations provide factory-direct bulk fiber at competitive pricing. Buying optical fiber in bulk from Worldwide Supply translates to saving costs and time, while providing your business with high-performance connectivity. Call us today for a customized bulk fiber cable quote, 855-920-3080. You can rely on Worldwide Supply